Radi-Cool. This video is used to guide the installation of transparent Radi-Cool film on the glass. The transparent Radi-Cool film has 4 layers. From the back to the front are lower release layer, adhesive layer, functional layer, upper release layer. The tools involved in the installation are shown in the picture. The steel ruler and tape ruler are used to determine the size during the measurement and cutting. Art knife and scissors are used for cutting the film. Hard scrapers and towels are used for water removing during installation. Soft scrapers are the main operating tools to ensure that the paste is firm and smooth. Water scraper and towel are used for cleaning glass surface. Kettle is used for spraying installation fluid. Scraper knife and rag are used for removing dust and stains on the glass surface. Sealant gun and sealant are used for edge sealing. The above are the basic tools, which are reasonably equipped according to the site situation. There are 6 procedures in the installation. The first procedure is film cutting. Requirements: cut the film with appropriate size without waste. Measure the length and width of the surface. When both of the length and width are more than 1,225 mm, splicing should be considered. The film width is 1,225 mm. Cut the film pieces according to the length and width of the surface. The cutting should be done in dry environment. And try to cut the film in one time. The film pieces should be kept well. And install them within 5 hours. The remaining film should be wrapped with wrapping film and stored accordingly. The second procedure is cleaning. The requirement is to use the suitable cleaning liquid and tools to remove the dust, stains and others on the glass surface without damaging the glass, window frame and the original ceiling structure, so as to ensure that the appearance quality of the glass surface meets the film installation requirements. Choose different cleaning methods for different surface conditions. Rinse dust with water, rinse heavy dust with detergent water or glass cleaner. Use the scraper to remove the particles and rinse it with water and wipe up to dry the surface. And then rinse with water again. Wipe up to dry the surface after cleaning. Remove the glue with suitable glue remover. Then rinse it with water. Wipe up to dry the surface after cleaning. Silicone glue and other granular foreign bodies. Use the scraper to remove the particles and rinse it with water and wipe up to dry the surface. The surface of frosted glass with rough surface or etched surface of glass with etching pattern cannot be applied. The cleaning steps are: spray water or cleaning fluid. Use a scraper to clean and avoid damage to the glass structure. Scrape off water stains and wipe dry with a towel. The third procedure is positioning. Position the film onto the glass. Film edge should be parallel to the edge of the glass. And the edge sealing area should be reserved. The first step is to configure the installation fluid. If installation is in an environment at 5 to 15, 1 drop of baby shower gel for 1 kettle of water. If installation is in an environment at 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, 2 drops of baby shower gel for 1 kettle of water. As the temperature increases, the proportion of shower gel increases accordingly. Shake the kettle evenly afterwards. The second step is to peel off the lower release layer of about 20 centimeters. At one end of the film, spray the installation liquid towards the adhesive layer. The third step is to spray the installation liquid evenly towards the glass. The fourth step is to align the film to the glass. And gradually peel off the lower release layer. During the positioning process, spray more installation liquid between the film and the glass if needed to ensure that the film can be moved. Slide the film until it is aligned with the glass perfectly. The completion status is shown in the video. The fourth procedure is to paste. The requirement is to use a scraper to help squeeze out the installation liquid between the film and the glass, so that the film can be pasted to the glass. To ensure that the two are pasted tightly, and the film surface has no abnormalities such as scratches, wrinkles and bubbles. First, use a scraper to squeeze water from top to bottom in the middle. And complete pasting there. Then squeeze water from the middle to the left and right. Increase force gradually from middle to the edge to ensure removing the installation fluid and air as much as possible. It is forbidden to apply force in the direction of completed area. If there are bubbles or foreign objects during the pasting procedure, the film should be evenly and slowly peeled off to the area. After removal, use the installation liquid to clean and continue the operation. Film stripping operation cannot exceed 3 times. When the edge is not firmly pasted, you should wrap the hard scraper with a towel to help removing the water. When splicing is required, the splicing seam should be set in the direction along the water flow on the glass. Straight and perfect edges are preferred for splicing. And the width of the seam should be less than 1 millimeter. The 5th procedure is inspection. The requirement is to inspect each film after being pasted, to deal with defects such as bubbles, inadequate adhesion, edge warping and edge curling. The installer check. Mark and repair the bubbles, inclusions and inadequate adhesion. The 6th procedure is edge sealing. The requirement is to cover all film edges with the edge sealing material after peeling off the upper release layer, without exposure or contact with air. Avoid water vapor corrosion to affect the film or the adhesive strength between film and the glass. First, remove all upper release layer of the film. Paste masking paper. Control the gap of masking paper about 2 centimeters. The edge of the film should be in the middle of the gap. Fill sealant into the gap of masking paper. Use a scraper to flatten tightly and ensure the thickness of the sealant not less than 2 millimeters. Wait for about 1 minute, peel off the masking paper quickly to avoid tearing off the sealant. The overall appearance after completion is as shown in the picture. Before edge sealing, ensure that there is no water or bubble on the film edge. And after edge sealing, ensure that the film edge is completely covered by the edge sealing material. In summary, the installation of the transparent Radi-Cool film on the glass is divided into 6 procedures: film cutting, cleaning, positioning, pasting, inspection, and edge sealing. Among them, the material loss is mainly controlled in the film cutting process, and installation quality is controlled in the procedure of cleaning, positioning, pasting, and inspection. The long-term weather resistance is controlled by the edge sealing process.